So this trucker back here broke down about a week ago, and we're finally just now getting around to getting it fixed because Dad and them have been on vacation. So they're back now, and we're gonna get it fixed. Gotta get the tire put back on because the hub broke. So we got Joshua, my granddad, Dad's over here. So let's see if we can't get this thing fixed real quick and get it off the road. Back. good it works? Milwaukee's ain't doing that stuff. Ryobi, forget about it. Install the water around here, baby. Go down. I ain't got to be jacked up on.
Gotta be jacked up.
Jacked up on it. I don't like where I'm sitting right now.
Well, I probably wouldn't either. But these tasks must be completed.
Dangerous work. Yeah, this thing would surely crush me.
Yeah.
Oh well.
It wouldn't feel so good.
I think it'd be good. Look at well, no.
Whatever it is, everything.
I can hold it, just move it.
Alright, that's enough, Dylan. That'll do it.
I left it up. Yeah, touch down. Give me a hammer out there.
Where?
The Bobcat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This wedge seems thicker than that other one. I don't think it's right.
It is thicker.
Remember, one of them wouldn't lap around the axle.
Anybody fishes that pond house?
Amber.
Give me one of these boats so I can start this one. If I can get it to you.
Freaking road 65 mile an hour through here when people are sitting on the side of the road. Ignorant.
Here's a big hammer.
Oh, it ain't even close. We're gonna have to pick up on a tire.
Want the jack down a little? I guess you did, but watch out, though. That's damn fast.
It needs a darn thing on the top side is what it needs. Pull the Bobcat up and push the bottom of the tire over a little bit.
It's got a twist. Whole tire's got to twist a little bit. It ain't lined up.
Yeah, it's got to back up a little bit.
No. The tire's got to come like this. I don't think you can move it though.
I'll have to push it. Hold on, I may be able to build this problem.
I mean, it ain't got to turn but like a quarter of an inch. It ain't even got to go much. All right, try it right there. See if there's a...
No, the whole wedge moved.
Let me move the wedge back in. Move that back.
Hit the wedge up a little bit more.
Now try it.
It's not lined up, John. The wedge is moving with the tire. There it goes. Now hit the wedge in.
Alright.
Think you can draw it on there?
If it'll grab it, but it ain't lined up.
I mean,
Gotta
it
come a little bit further, I think.
Tire still gotta spin backwards a little bit.
ain't like much. I mean, grabbed in, didn't it?
Yeah, it grabbed a little bit.
Turn it. Turn it.
I can't turn it with my fingers.
It started a little bit. You should grab it now.
Just easy to test it a little bit.
Yeah, just easy. It's actually sticking out with like a screw.
Yeah, we're good.
Now we gotta hope that the bottom one's lined up with them smaller bolts. These are.
You lined up?
Can't really tell.
You got one more.
Is that the same socket for him?
No, it's smaller. It's that smaller socket.
The chrome one?
That one right there. What got real close?
To turn it over. Brandon said he thought the tire was making a little bit of noise, but we never got it checked.
Pull up. Driveway a little bit before you load that.
Oh no!
You have it all the way loose?
Twist it a little bit more. I don't think it's all the way loose, but it's going down.
I know it.
That would hurt.
Little
Very bad.
I'd say it hurt a little bit.
There, you're safe on that side.
That should be gone.
This side, I hope it doesn't move.
Rub the fender wheel.
Alright, well, we got it fixed. We're getting the spot fixed back out here where we kind of dug a hole to China trying to get this thing moved the other day. But yeah, so we're going to drive this home and I think we'll be wrapped up. So we got it pretty much fixed now. So there we go. Got her home, and now it's time for me to. All right, guys. Well, we got it done. Everything's moved home back where it's supposed to be. We still got a little bit of work to do on it. Some of the bolts were kind of backing out and just kind of still moving off the hub. So we may weld a solid bead on it. That way it'll keep it in place and keep everything locked in tight. But besides that, we got it done. And so now I'm going to help Tyler unload about 250 square bales. So it never stops around here, but you know, it is what it is. So but yeah, something different for the channel. Just kind of a day in the life here in the farm, trying to get some stuff done. So got the Tahoe fixed this morning, got new brake calipers put on it. I didn't video any of that, but got new brake calipers on that, and then went out there and got the tractor fixed and got her home. So but yeah, anyways, I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you in the next one.